According to the materials of the Ukrainian Secret Service SBU, a former employee of the Ukrainian service, who carried out intelligence and subversive activities for the benefit of the Russian Federation, was sentenced to 14.5 years in prison with confiscation of property. Only in Russia. Rustam Usmanovich Muradov, commander responsible for the epic failure in Vuhledar last week where Russia lost hundreds of men and equipment and eventually had to retreat, was promoted to the rank of Colonel General. Here he receives his promotion from Shoigu himself. For his superior and extraordinarily good tactics in Vuhledar, which have proved extremely effective. Sarcasm mode, off. Russians clearly having a problem in the south of Bakhmut because this BMP-2 raises them and pushes them further south. And this is the first shot of the Ukrainian tank crew of the Leopard 2A6 on the training area of the Tank Troop School in Munster. Ukraine only needs weapons to defend its own country and people. EU Head Prefect Josep Borrell, we need to focus all European industry on arming Ukraine, because Russia must not be allowed to win.
The first and most urgent thing that the geopolitical Europe has to do is to arm Ukraine. If we said, as all the European leaders here said yesterday, that Russia cannot win this war, that Ukraine has to prevail, then let's go from the words to the facts and accelerate our military support to Ukraine, because Ukraine is in a critical situation from the point of view of the ammunition available. We have to use what we have, what the member states have, and they have to provide quickly a part of the ammunition, waiting to refill their stocks with the commands that are already being passed. In the short term, we need, and we have the tools, we have the European Peace Facility that can engage their resources in order to provide quickly ammunition to Ukraine.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.